Welcome to KidloLand, the only app you'll need for kids between 1 to 5.
ஸோ இது கிட்ஸ்க்கான ப்ரீ ஸ்கூல் ரைம்ஸு, கேம்ஸு, ஏபிசிடி, இந்த ஃபோனிக் சவுண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் கற்றுக்கிற மாதிரியான ஆப்பு. இதுலேயே எல்லாம் இருக்குது. ஸோ இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க வீடியோஸ்லலாம் நம்ம சாங்ஸு, கேம்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தோம். இப்போ ஸ்டோரிஸ் பார்க்கலாம் நம்ம குழந்தைங்களா. ஸோ உங்களால் படிக்க முடியும்னா ரீட் பை மை செல்ஃப் அப்படின்னு டச் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, இல்லைன்னா இதை டச் பண்ணுங்க.
It is Christmas Eve. Although it is long past Princess Perla's bedtime, she is determined to stay awake to meet Santa. I wonder where Santa could be. Perla's dog Rover is waiting for Santa too. We do live in a castle. Maybe the chimneys are too high for Santa. Oh, what if someone let the drawbridge up and Santa fell in the moat with all the Christmas gifts?
ஸோ குழந்தை கிறிஸ்மஸ் கிஃப்ட்காக வெயிட் பண்ணுது.
Or maybe the royal guard stopped him from coming in. I wonder if he ate the milk and cookies we left for him and took a nap. Oh, Santa, where are you? Perla's eyes are growing heavy and Rover is starting to snore. Wake up, Rover. Look. The stockings are filled with gifts in the morning, and the pair have missed Santa again. The Ant and the Dove.
ஸோ இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டோரி.
Once upon a time, a very thirsty ant was drinking water from the river. Suddenly, the ant lost his balance and fell into the river water. "Help! Help! Help!" cried the ant, but no one could hear his cries. A dove, sitting on a tree nearby, saw that the ant was in trouble. She quickly plucked off a leaf from the tree and dropped it into the water. The ant climbed on the leaf. He thanked the dove for saving his life. After a few days, the dove was sitting on a tree. The ant saw a hunter aiming his arrow at the dove. The ant knew that his friend the dove was in danger. He quickly bit the hunter's leg. The hunter cried in pain. The hunter's arrow missed the dove. This time, the ant saved the dove. The dove thanked the ant for saving her life, and they became friends forever. The ant and the dove.
இந்த ஆண்ட் அண்ட் த டவ், இந்த ஸ்டோரி எல்லாருக்குமே ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். நம்ம மற்றவங்க கஷ்டப்படுற டைமில் கண்டிப்பாக உதவி பண்ணணும்.
Baby, don't cry. Screeching, screaming, the baby cries. In a cradle on the floor, the baby lies. Mommy sings him nice lullabies, but the baby still has tears in his eyes. Hearing the cry, Daddy wakes up and opens the door. Smiling, he says, "Hey, little champ, your cry is louder than my snore." Mommy gets him a cute, soft toy, hands him a teddy bear to enjoy. But the baby doesn't cease to cry, be it daddy, be it teddy, or a nice lullaby. Then Mommy takes a look at baby's nappy and says, "It's Wee Wee. Now I know how to make you happy. Let's change your nappy. Oh, don't be shy. Dry and soft. The new nappy won't make you cry." Once Mommy is done with the chore, baby smiles, sleeps, and cries no more.
Arby's day at the zoo.
ஸோ உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருக்கும். கண்டிப்பாக இந்த வீடியோக்கு தெரிகிற அந்த குட்டி ஆன்சர் யூஸ் பண்ணி
One day,
சப்ஸ்கிரைப்
Arby
பண்ணுங்கள்,
went to the
ஷேர்
zoo
பண்ணுங்கள்
to see the animals.
அண்ட் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள்.
At the entrance, she met one guard. Upon entering, she heard a loud roar. She turned around to see 2 lions in the cage. Moving forward, she came across 3 crocodiles who were sunbathing. Not far from there were 4 elephants taking a mud bath. They were a family with Mommy, Daddy, and 2 cute baby elephants. As Arby explored more, she ran into a big cage with trees. Jumping on the trees were 5 monkeys. Arby was hungry and sat down to eat in the zoo cafeteria. Opposite to the cafeteria were 6 peacocks. A little further, she ran into a pond. Swimming in the pond were 7 ducks. But that wasn't all. On the other side of the pond were 8 turtles. Near the zoo's exit was a dense area with many trees. Perched on those trees were 9 parrots. Just before leaving the zoo, Arby saw 10 owls sitting on a single tree. She had never seen so many owls together. Amazed with the sight, she came back from the zoo and repeated the number of each animal she had seen.